Hello everyone. This tutorial will teach you how to do a virtual wax-up in Emsoft. The first thing we do is click on the third button from the left on the top button bar. This is the wax-up step. The little icon of the tooth with the plus means you've already created a virtual wax-up in a different software and would like to import it into Emsoft. The button next to this one means you will be able to choose a tooth and create a virtual wax-up for it. Once I click on this, you can see that there's a missing tooth here. I click on the bright yellow circle and the tooth appears in the top left view. You can now see the tooth in relation to our CBCT scan. We can rotate the tooth in any direction we want. We can also bring it higher or lower and change its angle. Here, I'll turn my tooth a bit more. I can also make the tooth smaller or larger. Let me just note that in Emsoft, the wax-up creation is limited to single teeth. A professionally designed wax-up should be prepared whenever more than 2 teeth are missing. If we look at it occlusally, we can see that it's pretty much lined up with the teeth. Let's now add our model and take a look at it to see if we've placed the tooth correctly. So now we have successfully placed our molar. Thank you for watching.